Even when it seems there's not, there's a tiny spark inside, buried deep, it tries to hide. Even when it seems too dark, there is a light. It might be tucked away, never peeking out at the light of day. When it seems there's no help anywhere that you look, when it seems you can't replace everything that they took. Even when you feel too weak, even when you can't find peace, you've got it there, buried deep. Even when you feel you're not enough, even when it feels too tough, you can't quit, refuse to quit. When you feel so alone, when you see that you're totally on your own, just know there's more to life. Cast off the shackles that they placed on your mind. Gotta know that there's more to life. Open up your mouth, rebuke the lies, 'cause there's so much more to your life. Let your power rise. Let your power rise. Even when you feel defeated and depleted, even when you feel so drained, you feel dirty and stained. It's such a strain. When you're looking back at where you came from, know that you don't have to live by the same gun. When you consider that you're too bitter and too brittle, know that those feelings are just for a moment. They're way too little to keep you down. There's more to your life. Cast off the shackles that they placed on your mind. You gotta know that there's more to life. Open up your mouth, rebuke the lies, 'cause there's so much more to your life. Let your power rise. Let your power rise. There's a magic buried deep inside. There's a goddess who's gonna awaken and turn the tide. There is hope fueled by belief. If you can't believe in yourself, believe the words I speak. There's more to your life. You've got a secret fire burning bright. There's more to life. Cast off the shackles that they placed on your mind. You gotta know that there's more to life. Open up your mouth, rebuke the lies, 'cause there's so much more to your life. Let your power rise. Let your power rise. Let your power rise.